Yo, what is going on, guys? This updated video today is going to be showing you how to get the best Rocket League codes in 2026. I've been searching for some new and updated codes for Rocket League that you can redeem right now. And yeah, these are definitely the best ones, guys. I spent a long time searching Google, all of the websites, as you can see. Most of the codes are expired. And the ones that actually work don't actually give you that much either. And basically, guys, I've managed to find the best Rocket League redeem codes working. And it only takes a few minutes to do this, so you just got to make sure you follow the instructions. Go ahead and drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get into it. So what you're going to want to do is basically just use your mobile phone to get your codes. Now, I know you probably play on PC or console, but just to get your redeem codes for Rocket League, use your mobile and your internet browser. I'm going to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So it is absolutely very important you type it correctly, cold coupons. And what it's going to do, guys, it's going to bring you to a codes website. As you can see, they have lots and lots of pages of game codes. So all I'm going to do is tap into the top search bar, and what I'm going to do now is search for Rocket League, and it's going to bring you to this page here. This is the Rocket League redeem codes page. You can see there are 5 verified working codes. Thousands of people have been using these. So what you're going to want to do now is scroll down, and they have a bunch of different codes. You can get free exotic items, you can get all cars unlocked, you can get 25,000 free credits and specific cars. I'm going to select the credits code. Now, I have already done this, guys. You can see these are limited with 508 codes remaining. So I'm not going to do it again because it does limit 1 code per person. But it is pretty easy, guys. It takes like 5 minutes to do this. And this one's going to give you 25,000 credits, so definitely the best codes for Rocket League. Now, these are limited codes, and like I said, it does limit 1 code per person. So you do need to unlock your code. You can see it is hidden. So to do that, click on this button, and then you just simply have to follow the instructions on this page to get your Rocket League codes. So complete 2 of the free offers below. Now, essentially, these sponsor cold coupons. That's how they can give us these Rocket League redeem codes for credits and stuff. So you do need to complete 2 of the tasks. And make sure you follow the instructions below each. So yeah, they're all going to be completely free. And like I said, they do take about 5 minutes. Once you complete 2 of those, it's going to return you back to this cold coupons page, and your code will be revealed. So like I said, if you complete 2 of those tasks, your Rocket League redeem code will be shown here. You can redeem it in-game in the settings page. And that, guys, is going to get you 25,000 credits, but they have other codes as well. These are definitely the best Rocket League codes, so go to cold coupons. Make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe. Peace out.